Swapna stared at the electricity bill, her heart sinking. The numbers blurred. Rent was overdue, her daughter Ria needed new shoes, her tiny tea stall barely covered their basic needs. Masala Chai? Ria's tiny hand tugged at her sari. Swapna smiled, her worries momentarily forgotten. Ria was her sunshine, the reason she kept fighting. One sweltering afternoon, rummaging through her attic, Swapna found a faded diary. Her grandmother's spidery handwriting filled the pages, recipes passed down through generations. Her gaze fell upon one titled Masala Chai Cake, a family secret. A wave of warmth washed over her. This was it. This cake, fragrant with the spices of their homeland, could be their ticket out. It was a taste of hope, a chance to change their destiny. Swapna baked late into the night, the scent of cardamom and ginger filling their tiny home. The cake, rich and moist, was a revelation. Ria, her eyes wide with delight, declared it the best cake ever. The next day, Swapna, her heart pounding, placed a few slices on her tea stall. Customers, initially hesitant, were soon captivated by the unique flavour. Word spread like wildfire. Her stall, once overlooked, was now bustling. People lined up, eager to taste the masala chai cake. Swapna, her energy renewed, worked tirelessly. She woke up before dawn, baking batch after batch, her hands never still. Each slice sold was a step towards a better life, a future where Ria wouldn't have to struggle like her. It was Grandma's legacy, brought to life by her granddaughter's grit and determination. Demand for Swapna's cake skyrocketed. She rented a small shop, hired helpers, and soon Swapna's Spices and Cakes was born. Her story, the single mother who turned her grandmother's recipe into a thriving business, was celebrated. Life was a whirlwind of orders, deliveries, and managing her growing team. The financial strain had eased, replaced by a different kind of pressure. Long hours turned into sleepless nights. The joy of baking was fading, replaced by relentless pressure to meet demands. One evening, Ria, her eyes filled with tears, said, "Amma, you're always busy. We never have time together anymore." Swapna's heart clenched. She was providing for Ria, yes, but at what cost? The success she had craved had come at a price, chipping away at precious time with her daughter, the very reason she had started this journey. Years later, Swapna's business was a household name, her cakes gracing tables across the country. She had achieved the financial security she craved, provided for her family, empowered other women. Yet a bittersweet ache lingered. The joy of baking, the simple pleasure of sharing her grandmother's recipe, had become lost in the machinery of her success. The laughter and chatter that once filled their home were replaced by the quiet hum of ambition. As she watched Ria, now a young woman, bake a batch of their signature masala chai cake, a wave of nostalgia washed over her. The aroma, infused with memories, brought a tear to her eye. Success, she realized, was a double-edged sword. It brought comfort and security, but also demanded sacrifices. She had won, but at what cost? This question, like a sprinkle of salt in a sweet dish, lingered in her heart.